Have you ever felt like you're just watching the years slip by, wondering if you missed out or took a wrong turn somewhere? It's a feeling many of us grapple with, whether it's regret over an unfulfilled career, a relationship that didn't work out, or dreams we put on the back burner. But what you don't realize is that all is not lost. You must realize the universe will always give back. And in this video, we're going to explore how, despite the setbacks and seemingly lost time, the universe has a unique way of turning things around for us. We'll discuss how every experience, even the ones we regret, shapes us and prepares us for future opportunities. The universe, in its mysterious ways, seems to have a plan for each one of us. So let's find out how the universe helps us reclaim those wasted years in ways we might never have expected. For this, we have to first start from recognizing the signs of the universe's restorative power. Behind the scenes of our daily lives, there's a silent force at play. It's not loud or flashy, it's the universe itself, quietly balancing the scales, making sure everything adds up in the end. Sometimes it feels like the years we've lost to mistakes or misfortune are gone forever. But the universe has a knack for turning things around, for making up for those lost times. This force doesn't work with dramatic gestures. Instead, it gently nudges us through signs we often overlook. A sudden opportunity just when we thought all doors were closed, or an old friend who calls out of the blue exactly when we need a boost. These aren't coincidences. They're the universe's way of setting things right, of steering us back on track. For instance, think about Colonel Sanders. Yes, the man behind Kentucky Fried Chicken. He faced a string of failures and was 65 years old when he finally founded his fast food empire. His life reminds us that the universe doesn't stick to our timelines, and sometimes it delivers success in ways we least expect. And this concept isn't new. It's deeply rooted in spiritual and philosophical traditions around the world, telling us to trust the process, to believe in the flow of our lives. These teachings suggest that even when our path is shadowed by regret or missed chances, there's a light guiding us towards a renewal, whispering that nothing is truly wasted. By embracing this idea, we start to see our past not as a collection of failures, but as essential steps that prepare us for what's next. It shifts how we view time, from a linear path where every minute lost is gone forever, to a cyclical journey where every end leads to a new beginning. Now the question is, how is all this manifested? Well, it's through abundance and unexpected blessings. Abundance and unexpected blessings aren't just strokes of luck or coincidental windfalls. They are clear signs from the universe showing its active role in our restoration. Experiencing abundance and blessings acts as tangible evidence of the universe's benevolence, painting our lives with strokes of unexpected joy and prosperity. Abundance transcends mere material wealth. It's a state of being that reflects a richness of life, encompassing financial stability, emotional fulfillment, and spiritual serenity. Sometimes, when we least expect it, doors to financial prosperity swing open, lifting the burdens of scarcity and allowing us the freedom that comes with stability. Yet, the universe's generosity extends far beyond material wealth. It also enriches our lives with experiences, relationships, and moments of sheer joy that deepen our existence. Consider the story of Oprah Winfrey, who rose from poverty and numerous personal challenges to become one of the most influential women in the world. Her journey exemplifies how the universe can transform pain and hardship into a path of incredible influence and generosity. Oprah herself has often spoken about this transformation, embodying the belief that the more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. These blessings often arrive cloaked in simplicity, a chance encounter that leads to a lifelong friendship, an unexpected opportunity that propels our career to new heights, or a moment of clarity that dissolves long-held fears and doubts. Each of these instances is a whisper from the universe, a gentle reminder that we are never forgotten, that even in our darkest hours, we are being guided towards light and fulfillment. The experience of abundance and unexpected blessings teaches us a vital lesson in receptivity. To fully embrace the gifts the universe has in store, we must open our hearts and minds to the possibility of their existence. It requires us to shed layers of skepticism and to nurture a sense of gratitude for the miracles that unfold around us. This mindset shift is not trivial. It is transformative, allowing us to perceive the world not as a realm of scarcity, but as a landscape ripe with potential and growth. Moreover, these experiences of abundance and blessings prompt us to reflect on the nature of giving and receiving. In moments when we feel inspired to share our newfound wealth, be it material or emotional, we participate in the universe's cycle of restoration. Acts of generosity and kindness become not just expressions of our gratitude, but also conduits for spreading the universe's restorative energy. By giving, we affirm our trust in the universe's abundance, knowing that our actions contribute to a larger pattern of balance and harmony. The significance of experiencing abundance and blessings extends beyond the immediate joy and relief they provide. They serve as milestones on our journey of restoration, markers that remind us of our progress and the universe's unwavering support. Each experience of abundance, each unexpected blessing, is a testament to the universe's commitment to restore what was lost and to guide us towards a life of fulfillment and purpose. After exploring how abundance and unexpected blessings signal the universe's active involvement in our lives, we now turn to hope, a beacon that illuminates our darkest times and steers us toward renewal. We now move on to the important role of hope. In the universe's mysterious workings, hope shines brightly, guiding us through adversity and encouraging us to embrace the infinite possibilities for restoration that the universe offers. This enduring spirit of hope is what fuels our journey through life's fluctuations. It ignites a fire within us, a burning desire to keep pushing forward, even against steep odds. Hope whispers that every setback is simply a setup for a greater comeback, that each closed door might just lead to an open window somewhere else. This belief allows us to look beyond our immediate hardships to the promising horizons ahead. Consider the life of Nelson Mandela, who, despite 27 years in prison, never lost hope in his fight for freedom and equality. Upon his release, he led South Africa through reconciliation and beyond its apartheid past. His story is a powerful testament to how hope can drive monumental change, even in the most dire circumstances. Hope also plays a critical role in our psychological and emotional well-being. It acts as an antidote to despair, piercing through the darkness of doubt with the light of potential for healing and restoration. Hope nurtures our resilience, enabling us to rebound from setbacks with renewed vigor and confidence, reassuring us that our efforts are worthwhile and that the universe is intricately involved in restoring balance and harmony to our lives. Within the context of the universe's restorative power, hope fosters a belief in renewal and rebirth. It reassures us that no matter how far we may have strayed from our intended paths, there is always a way back, a chance for redemption and restoration. Hope invites us to trust in the universe's timing, to believe that everything happens for a reason, and that the years we thought were lost will be compensated in ways we could never have imagined. Next, we will explore another critical aspect of this journey, which is finding alignment with the universe. This alignment is not just about setting our lives on a desirable path, but about syncing our deepest desires with the universe's restorative rhythm. In this harmony lies the true potential for restoration, peace, and profound transformation. Aligning with the universe is an intimate dance, a delicate balance where our individual aspirations meet the grand design of cosmic order. It's about tuning into life's subtleties, heeding our intuition, and observing signs that nudge us forward. This attunement simplifies life's complexities, imbuing our journey with meaning and deep trust in the universe's guidance. Even Albert Einstein often spoke of his scientific discoveries in terms of revealing the universe's secrets rather than constructing new theories. His ability to tune into his intuition and align with the cosmos led to revelations that changed the course of modern physics. Einstein famously remarked, "The most beautiful thing we can experience is the mysterious. It is the source of all true art and science." His journey illustrates how aligning with the universe's rhythm can unlock incredible insights and innovations. Alignment involves a deep dive into our essence, encouraging us to live authentically and express our true selves. When our actions resonate with the cosmic order, life flows more smoothly, transforming potential obstacles into opportunities for growth. This path fosters a sense of belonging and inner peace, revealing our role in a vast, interconnected cosmos. Moreover, aligning with the universe energizes us, infusing our existence with purpose and passion. It invites us to explore our inner landscape and engage with the universe in a meaningful dialogue. As we uncover patterns and synchronicities, we affirm our active participation in a grand design. Ultimately, finding alignment with the universe means embracing surrender, not to fate but to life's flow, trusting in the universe's support. This surrender is a powerful stance rooted in the confidence of being part of something grander than ourselves. By aligning with the universe's purpose, we not only reclaim what was lost, but also open ourselves to life's highest possibilities. True peace emerges not from the absence of conflict, but from finding harmony within it. As we align with the universe's purpose, we prepare ourselves to receive its gifts more openly and fully. This journey of alignment is spiritual, inviting us to discover how each step on our path, even those that seemed misdirected at the time, forms a crucial part of the universe's benevolent plan. Moving forward, next is a crucial step that not only restores, but also heals, which is overcoming regret and embracing the profound healing that follows. This process is essential for moving forward with clarity and purpose, allowing us to fully engage with the potential of our newly aligned path. Regret is a common human experience that often acts as a barrier to our growth and happiness. It's the shadow that looms over past decisions, whispering what could have been. However, in the light of our alignment with the universe, regret is transformed. It becomes not a chain anchoring us to the past, but a lesson guiding us toward a brighter future. Overcoming regret involves acknowledging our missteps with compassion, understanding that each choice was a step on the path to where we are now. This shift in perspective is crucial. It allows us to view our past not as a series of failures, but as invaluable experiences shaping our journey. On the other hand, embracing healing is inherently connected to overcoming regret. Healing is not a passive process, but an active engagement with our inner selves. It demands that we confront our wounds, forgive ourselves and others, and release the pain that holds us back. This journey is marked by moments of self-discovery, acceptance, and the gradual realization of our strength and resilience. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, supports this healing process by presenting opportunities for growth and renewal. Whether it's through serendipitous encounters that offer closure, insights that shift our perspective, or simply the passage of time that softens the edges of our pain, the universe guides us toward healing. This guidance is a reminder that healing is not just about moving past our regrets, but also about transforming them into sources of strength and wisdom. As we heal, our capacity for experiencing joy, love, and fulfillment expands. We become more open to the abundance and blessings the universe has to offer. Healing allows us to fully engage with life, unburdened by the weight of past regrets. It prepares us to step into new beginnings with a light heart and a clear mind, ready to embrace the endless possibilities that alignment with the universe presents. In embracing healing, we find not just restoration, but renewal. We discover a version of ourselves more resilient, compassionate, and aligned with our true purpose. This newfound wholeness is a testament to the universe's restorative power, a clear signal that we are moving in harmony with the cosmic flow toward a future bright with hope and filled with potential. Now, if these concepts have resonated with you, or if you've experienced the universe's restorative power in your own life, we'd love to hear your stories. Share your experiences in the comments below and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Remember, no matter where you are on your journey, the universe has a way of turning things around, restoring what was lost, and leading you towards a life of richness and purpose. Keep looking for the signs, keep trusting the process, and most importantly, keep moving forward with hope and openness. Until next time, keep exploring, keep growing, and let the universe do its work in your life. Goodbye for now.